Hey everyone, today I'm going to be opening my alpha packs that I've been working to get 50 extra for a while. New season started today, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, here we go. Rare. Blitz Chibi, okay. It's very delayed. Okay, I like me some Blitz Chibis. Really?
Yeah, you just opened Alpha Pack on me.
I mean, they're better than, I just opened an uncommon. Strawberry Fields. Another rare. Pedro, what? Yeah, it's actually not that bad. I like that. And I'm not gonna get a single black ice, I'm not gonna get a single legendary. Oh god, of course I get Chimera. Oh god. It's two uncommons in a row. Blood Orchid, god, I'm getting all the trash skins. Oh god, another common! Duplicate, Jesus. I had 80.
You don't get more black items.
Another rare.
Blood Orchid?
Rabid Cookie Dough.
Royalty.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, we got an epic.
Don't open it yet, wait for us.
I mean, it's not gonna be it's gonna come afterwards. It's like, wait for us. It doesn't really work like that.
Oh wait, you're right.
Oh my gosh, I got the same Blackbeard headgear that I already have. The the scuba one. God, it's so annoying. Ooh, that's actually not a bad IQ headgear. Trans.
You get the Seahawk.
Yeah, I already have that, dude. It's so annoying. God, I get Chimera again. Oh god.
Didn't you just get that one?
Another epic. I hate this game. I got a skin for Tachanka and Capkins. Oh god. I'm not getting a single. Oh, another epic. God, I got Orbits. Thermite's Orbits headgear.
Ooh, another. Oh my god,
Dude, we're just punching out the uncommons. Oh, we got a legendary.
Ooh.
That's actually not bad. That's kind of nice.
Sapien.
Designed affluence. It's like a black.
Let's see.
It's pretty.
What did you
pretty
get
nice.
for legendary?
Black.
Oh,
It's
Firefight
IQ's Commando.
Oh, that looks clean.
Dude, I hate the flower skins.
It's kind of
So
fixed. Flower
annoying.
skins.
Red Crow. And the Red Crow in Blood Orchid skins. They're so annoying. Acid Rain. Griss. Oh, they're common. Chimera! Sweet. Another Chimera. Dang.
Yeah, I hope you never get black ice on the chain.
I'm not gonna get a black ice today. I'm telling you that. Blitz head you. That's. I know.
Fused
Kinda like
Chimera.
dog.
Imagine.
I have 58 alphabets left.
Dude, how do you get Chimera twice in a row?
Because there's a bunch of different.
Gotcha.
What? How is this different than the? What? Do you guys see the Ella Falcon skin that I got?
Is it good?
How many more? How many more? packs do you have?
No,
Like
I
50?
don't
Oh,
see
I
a
just
difference.
Yeah, it's just played.
I don't see a
Border.
difference.
Literally plain old gray.
I don't see anything
and
different either.
I really don't see a difference. I'm getting so many duplicates. Just got this blitz headgear. We haven't got into the ones that I bought yet.
Wait, did they like? Does it have like more chance of getting black ice?
That's actually kind of nice. I like the little green tint on the edge of Monty's glass. Intervention. Dang, white noise. Love it. Love to see it, dude. Grenade. That's not bad. Skull Rain. Oh, another epic. I hate this game so much. That's actually not that bad. It's a deagle. It's like gold with tiger stripes on it.
Let's see. You're opening it right now for me.
White noise again.
No, that's a sick Deagle skin. I like that.
White noise.
Duplicate. Blood Orchid again?
If you don't get a black ice,
Eight
dude.
ball. I'm not getting a black ice. This game does not like me.
Wait, since when did black ice get so rare? Like, I know it's like purple and
I get
Down
black
to
ice.
39
1
alpha
out of
packs.
10 alpha packs, dude. 8 ball.
I have so many Chimera skins now.
Look how much renown you have now.
Only 8,000 now. An epic?
You got a
Please,
lot.
please be black ice. Please. MP7. All I want. God, it's oil spill.
Imagine.
I feel
Dude,
bad
if
for
you
you.
really don't get one out of 80 alpha packs, dude. Oh my god.
Oil spill.
That's tough. It's so tough.
How many? That's like 5 epics that I've opened. That have been absolute dookie. Dude. Oh, another epic. Please. Siege Gods. MP7 Black Ice. All I want. I'll be happy if I get MP7 Black Ice. Please. Gosh, dude. Ledger for the
You guys, you
commando.
are so unlucky, dude.
No,
I
he's
told you,
unlucky.
dude, I'm mega unlucky.
Dude, last week I got Black Ice like 2 days in a row.
I know. I'm telling you, I haven't opened a black ice in 3
How
years.
is that an epic weapon skin?
It's like
Leather or
at least
leather?
a
That's
at
horrible.
least a rare.
Down to 25 alpha packs. Jesus. We've already gone through 65. No, not 65, 55. God. I hate this game.
Dude, you
I don't
only have like
actually
20
know
hours
that
of
happened
back
right
left.
now.
I got the front fry. Oh my gosh. I got the front fry. Gosh.
You have so many blood orchard down, dude.
I got the freaking front
Turtle.
fry, dude.
Wait, the French fry skin? Oh my gosh. The fright. The fright. Oh my god. You got fright.
Tachanka head, dude.
Horrible.
Hey. Yeah, I hate this game so much. Okay, another epic, please. I got the clone headgear first. Mute. Oh my god.
That's tough.
Ballistic salvation. Oh my god.
Jesus, dude. I'm not gonna get black ice, dude. It's not gonna happen.
That's actually a really cool headgear for mute.
Another epic, please. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I'm
I
really just
got a
waiting for you to say
Sweet
like, oh
from
my
the
god.
Supernova. That's like 8 epics that I've opened, and they've all been no. Oh, hey, we got ice. Not black ice, just ice. And it's also a dude. Another epic, please, dude. Please. I already have the skin. Oh my gosh.
Wait, did you get a Black Ice?
No. I got geoed for Valkyrie's gun. 12 alpha packs left. I'm so done.
Whoa.
Another epic, please, dude. MK1 9mm. Pearl skin. Got a rare. Gloom for Ying headgear. Common. Chimera. Right, yay.
Dude, you're not gonna get a Black Ice.
I'm not gonna get a black ice, dude.
This is horrible. How do you open 80? How do you open 80? You've saved up for 200,000 for so long, and they're gonna give you this. That's tough, dude. That is tough.
I hate this game.
Concrete directive
almost
castle. How many more left do you have?
It's like 4.
Oh my god.
Yeah, 4 alpha packs.
Jeez.
3 alpha packs.
Oh no.
2 alpha packs. I hate this game so much. Last alpha pack. It's an epic? It's an epic. Please.
Wait, is
Siege.
it actually? Hang on, don't open it. Don't open it yet.
Siege.
Hang on. Do not open it.
Siege,
Hang on, hang
please.
Wait, did you actually get an epic?
Siege, please. Last alpha pack's an epic.
Don't
Hang on,
Siege,
hang on, wait,
please.
wait.
open it. Okay, you
I
can
got
open it, you can open it.
Alright, go for it.
I'm done. I'm leaving.
Please, if he gets a black ice there.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh, I feel so bad.
81 alpha
He got an
packs.
art deck out.
Not a single black ice.
Horrible, dude.
Jesus.
I'll be right back.
I'm buying 2 more alpha packs. Jesus, dude. I hate this game so much.
I buy it.
I did. Common, yay!
Oh my god.
White noise! Jesus. And uncommon, oh my gosh. I can buy 1 more. We're doing it, please. 1 black ice. This is gonna be a whole bust, dude. It's a common, oh my gosh.
Rip.
Alright, well, that's gonna be all. Pray for me for the next time I save up for that many alpha packs that I'll actually get a black ice skin. Peace out.